Welcome to this 10-minute beginner yoga simple full body flow. This is a hand-free, wrist-free, knee-free, prop-free, and inversion-free class. Go ahead and rest back to begin. So let's start by feeling the flow of our breath in and out through our nose. And then feel tension flowing out of your body on your exhale, down and into the earth. And then just notice and sense and feel sensations shifting and flowing and changing in your body. We're going to begin with a bridge pose flow. So you'll start with your hands down by the side of your body. Let's just start with the arm flow part of it, and then we'll add the legs. So you're going to inhale. You'll be taking your arms straight overhead, and then you'll be exhaling and lowering them down. Inhale, take your arms overhead, and exhale, lower them back down. So let's press into our feet. Inhale, lift your hips up, take your arms overhead. And exhale, lower down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Simple flows. Feel your glutes and your legs working. Your shoulders getting mobilized. And then you can stretch out your low back by drawing your knees into your chest, hugging them into your chest, and you can even rock them from side to side. Tuck your chin, you can rock yourself up, and we're going to come all the way up to standing. Okay, from standing, you're going to stand with your feet about hip width apart, and we'll just do the arms first again, then we'll add the legs. You're going to inhale, bring your arms up to the front, and you're going to exhale, sweep to the side. Inhale to the front, exhale, sweep to the side. And you can imagine just letting go of any negative energy that you want to let go of. And then you're just going to sit back like you're sitting in a little chair. Good. And then you're going to take your feet wide, and you're going to interlace your fingers. You're going to sink down into Goddess Victory Squat. And then you're going to reach the palms of your hand up to the ceiling as you lengthen your legs. So you're going to exhale, sink down, bend your knees, keep your knees back. And then you're going to inhale, reach the palms of your hands up towards the sky. Lengthen up through your spine as you reach up. So exhale, sink. Inhale, reach. Exhale, sink. Inhale, reach. Nice simple flow to open up your torso and strengthen your legs. And then you can let that go. And you're going to lie down on your back again. And from here on your back, you're going to take your arms straight up in the air and your knees at a 90-degree angle in the air. And what you're going to do is you're going to open your right arm and leg down to the ground and then bring your left arm and leg to meet it. Lift your left arm and leg up, bring your right arm and leg up to meet it, and then lower your left arm and leg down, follow with your right arm and leg. So we'll just keep rolling like that. Lower and lower. So it's open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. And you get a nice massage through your back. And we'll do one more like this. Okay, and then you're going to roll over onto your stomach. And you're going to make a pillow for your hands with the backs of your pillow for your head with the backs of your hands. You're going to inhale here, exhale, lengthen through your right leg until it lifts off the ground and lower. And then lengthen through your left leg until it reaches off the ground and lower. So you open the front of your hip and you strengthen your glutes and you strengthen your back. Exhale, lengthen. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lengthen. Inhale, lower. And then you can roll over onto your back for Shavasana. So rest back here, and I'm going to sit up and read you a poem. This is an untitled poem by Osho. When gladness glides in the deep lake of silence, warm breath of love hums an unheard song. When open sky is wide awake under thy gaze, fog of doubt melts away, and fragrant breeze reveals the sweet pollen of bliss. The lake, the lotus, and the unseen lover merge in one lightning thrill. So give yourself a thumbs up for completing the class. Put "I am gliding with gladness" in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more classes like this. I would love it if you shared this class with your friends and your family. Remember, you can subscribe to this channel for more classes like this, and go to melissawest.com/begin for the whole beginner's challenge. And also remember that our members are getting an ad-free version of this beginner challenge. I'm sending you much love from beautiful British Columbia. May your joy be as deep as our Pacific Ocean. May you be as strong as our mountains, and may you be as rooted as the old growth trees in our forest. Om Shanti. Namaste.